Hello friends, welcome to my channel Learn English. In today's video, we are going to learn the very important chapter of grammar, which is the nouns. So, before starting the video, please like my video, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. So, let us start with the video. So, you all know that what are nouns as you are studying nouns from your first standard. So today we are going to revise it. Okay friends, so now let us start. So what is the noun? The noun is the name of the person, place or thing. So what will be the definition of noun? The definition of noun is that the name of the person, place or thing is called a noun. I hope it is clear to you. You all should know that what is the definition of noun. Now, the next point is that how many types of noun are there? So, there are totally 5 types of nouns in our grammar. Now, here I have written some examples of nouns. That is, first one is Ram. Ram is a noun. Why? Because this is the name of the person, and the name of the person, place or thing is called a noun. So here Ram is a noun. Taj Mahal. Taj Mahal is a name of a place, so it is a noun. Next is Jaipur. Jaipur is also the name of a place, so it is also the noun. In the same way, car and paper are also the nouns. So I hope it is clear to you that what is the noun, what are the how many types of nouns are there, and what are the examples of noun. Okay friends, now we are going to learn. We have some examples of nouns and we have to identify that which are the nouns in these sentences. So first sentence is that Ram is a good boy. So here what is the noun here? There are two nouns, that is first one is Ram and the second one is boy, and good is here a adjective. Okay friends, adjective are the words which tell us more about the noun or a pronoun. Okay, so Ram and boy are the noun here because Ram is the name of the person and boy is also a person. Okay, so now next is that I love eating ice creams. So I is here pronoun, you all know pronoun here. Eating is a verb and here ice cream is the noun. Why ice cream here is the noun? Because ice cream is the name of a thing. Okay, now next third example is that Sheila bought a car for her father. So in a sentence there can be one or more nouns. So here are 3 nouns given to you in this sentence. First one is Sheila. So Sheila is a noun here because this is the name of the person and the name of the person is a noun. Bought is a verb here and car. Car is a thing, so it is the name of the thing, so it is a noun. And here father is also a person, so it is also a noun. Now the next sentence which is given to you is that he is well known for his wisdom. Here he is a pronoun and he is a helping verb. His is also a pronoun, and wisdom. Here wisdom is the noun. Why wisdom is the noun? Because you all know that there is abstract noun in your types of nouns. So wisdom is the abstract noun. Okay. Now fifth one is we use black pen to write questions. So we is here a pronoun. Use that we are using it is a verb, and pen is a noun because it is the name of the thing. Pen is the name of the thing. So here pen is the noun and black is the adjective because it is telling more about the noun. So I hope it is clear to you. Now we are going to revise what are the types of noun and gender. Yes friends, so here are given to you the types of nouns. So here the types of nouns are given to you. Here you can see that here noun is given to you, and what are the types of noun? There are, you learned that there are 5 types of nouns, and these are, first one is common noun, second is proper noun, third is abstract noun, fourth is material noun, and fifth one is collective noun. So one by one I am going to explain you all these. Okay friends, so first one is common noun. So now what is a common noun? Common noun is the name of the Common noun is the noun in which there is given the name of the person, place or building in general. Okay, means वो बिल्कुल general होता है, common होता है, like man, city, monument, book. So इसमें हमें ये पता नहीं चल रहा है कि जो मैन है उसका नाम क्या है, हमें प्रॉपर उसकी इंफॉर्मेशन नहीं मिल रही है, तो ये होता है हमारा कॉमन नाउन. And now next what is given to you is proper noun. Proper noun, the name of a particular person, place, monument or a building is called proper noun. The name of a particular person, place or monument means बिल्कुल फिक्स है, उसका पूरी इंफॉर्मेशन दी गई है जिसके बारे में हमें, वो नाउन होता है हमारा प्रॉपर नाउन. इसके एग्जांपल्स क्या होंगे, जैसे मुंबई, राम and R.S. Agarwal Solutions. So Ram is the particular name of a person, so it is a proper noun. And book is also, R.S. Agarwal Solution is a book, so it is a proper noun. I hope it is clear to you. And Mumbai is also a proper place name, so it is a proper noun. Now what is abstract noun? Abstract noun is also very easy. Abstract noun, that is the name of an idea or concept, a state or feeling is called a abstract noun. The name of the idea, concept or feeling. So in this noun we are having the feelings of us, like trust, pain or kindness. ओके, काइंडनेस मीन्स दया. तो हम जो काइंडनेस होती है उसे देख नहीं सकते लेकिन फील कर सकते हैं. सो वो नाउन जिसे हम फील कर सकते हैं वो होती है एब्स्ट्रैक्ट नाउन. इसके कुछ एग्जांपल्स हैं, लाइक ब्यूटी, ट्रस्ट. ट्रस्ट, भरोसे को हम देख नहीं सकते लेकिन फील कर सकते हैं. पेन को हम फील कर सकते हैं एंड काइंडनेस को भी हम फील कर सकते हैं. नेक्स्ट इज मटेरियल नाउन. नाउ व्हाट इज मटेरियल नाउन? So friends, here what is the material noun? So the definition of material noun is the name of the substance or matter from which a thing is made is called a material noun. What is a material noun? That the matter means the thing from which the thing is made, means the material from which the thing is made is called a material noun. Like silver, we don't say like I have silver, we say that I have silver necklace. So the necklace is made from silver, चांदी का बना हुआ है silver, oh sorry, necklace. So the thing which is made from material, this material is called the material noun. Some of the examples are like silver, wood, paper. So this is a material noun. One sentence like my mother has a silver necklace, my mother has a gold necklace. So here gold will be the material noun and necklace is a noun, and necklace will be the proper noun because here silver necklace is given to you, means a proper name of the thing is given to you. Now next is collective noun. So collective noun are the nouns that the name of the nouns is used for a collection of people or animals or birds or objects. Okay, like it means that the name used for a collection means the collective noun is the noun in which the noun shows the collection of anything, any object like people, animals, or balls or objects. This is called the collective noun. Examples like flock, herd, family, family of people. Okay, friends. So this is your collective noun. So I hope all the nouns are clear to you. All the 5 types of noun, that is common noun, proper noun, abstract noun, material noun, and the last one is collective noun. Now the second thing given to you in your chapter is gender. Here it is given to you, gender. So you all know that there are 2 types of gender, that is masculine and feminine, but in the previous classes you were learning only 2, but there are totally 3 types of gender, that are masculine, feminine and neuter. Okay friends, one more is there but that is not in your syllabus. So masculine, feminine and neuter. Masculine is just from the name it is पता चल रहा है हमें कि नेम से ही पता चल रहा है कि nouns that are said to be in masculine gender if they refers to males. masculine gender वो होता है जिसमें हमें जो रेफर करे मेल को, मीन्स जिसमें हमें पता चले कि वो किसी मेल की बात कर रहा है, लाइक टाइगर, अंकल, एक्टर. So these are the nouns which are used in the masculine. मेल जो होते हैं हम जिसमें हिंदी में हम कहते हैं पुल्लिंग, वो होता है हमारा masculine. ओके और इसके जैसे पिकअप, ग्रैंडफादर, फादर. ओके, so these all are the masculine gender. Next is feminine. Feminine gender is the gender in which we refers to females. It refers to females. इसमें हमें पता चले कि किसी फीमेल की बात करी जा रही है यहाँ पे, लाइक टाइग्रेस, आंट एंड एक्ट्रेस. सो जो टाइगर का है उसकी फेमिनाइन क्या होगा, टाइग्रेस, एंड अंकल का आंट एंड एक्टर का एक्ट्रेस. सो I hope it is clear to you. Next is neuter gender. What is neuter gender? Neuter gender is the gender or the nouns which are neither masculine and neither feminine. Means they are not masculine, they are not male and they are not female. And the neuter gender are the nouns which the nouns which are in neuter genders are usually non-living things. Non-living things like a table, book, pen, torch. These all are included in neuter gender. So I hope all the things are clear to you, that what is noun, examples of nouns, the types of nouns and what is the gender. Now one most important thing is left that I am going to teach you now. So next is, okay friends, so now next is number. So number is, you all know the number, it is used in nouns. So there are the number is of 2 types, that is in singular form and in plural form. So now what is singular form of noun? The singular form of noun is a noun which denotes one person, one place or one thing. So it means that it denotes only one person, means it talks about only one person. Like one person means not the name of the person, it means one thing, like chair. Here the examples are given to you, that is chair, book or torch. So chair, book and torch. So these are the singular form of noun. Now next is plural form of noun. Plural form of noun denotes more than one person, place or thing. It denotes only one person, place or thing. It denotes more than one person, place or thing. It means that in singular form it only talks about one person, but in plural form it talks about one or more person. Like here chair is given in singular form, so it will become chairs. Book will become books and torch will become torches. So if we have to convert singular into plural, so what we have to do? We have to add s in it. Like I am giving you the example. Like it is given to you knife. So knife will be converted into knives, means s will also come in it. So it will be KNIVES. So in the plural form, f will be converted into v. So I hope it is clear to you. With that, knife will become knives. So we have completed this chapter noun, and I hope all the concepts of it are clear to you. And in the next video I am going to share a practice exercise of this chapter. So friends, please like my video, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe. And I hope it is clear to you, and in the next video I'll share the questions to you.